So probably the most common type of design that I make is a Facebook post. So I'm going to click over here under social media. And we've got Instagram, but I don't use Instagram. I'm going to select a Facebook post. And you'll see that it opens up very similar to our previous little design that we made. On the left hand side we've got our menu, in the middle here we've got our templates, and then we've got our design over here. So there are a few ones that are already selected for us because we're using the personal account. If you've used a different industry, then you may see some different ones. So I'm going to type in, I'm going to look for something for summer sale and see what it comes up with. I don't mind either of these two designs. I'm not too sure about the little leaves. Oh, let's try this design for cupcakes. Okay, so that looks really yummy. Again, let's start by changing our text. I'm going to change this to bake sale. And then let's see a date. It's nearly September, so let's try September 5th. I think that's the right date for Friday. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Let's change it to church car park. Okay, same as before, this font is a little small, so I'm going to enlarge that by double clicking on it and then changing up here. I'll change it to 24. This one's a bit the same, so I'll change that also to 24. That's too big, so let's drop it down to 21. Again, with the picture, we may change that. So come over here to photos. And let's do a search for cake. Again, it likes us to do the Photos Pro. So this is a free one. So I'm just going to drag and drop that over the top. And so we can then check, we've already changed our name up the top up here. Because we have already linked our Facebook account to Canva by creating a Canva account using our Facebook details, we've got the option over here so we can publish directly to Facebook. Now, if you don't have that option, you should be able to use this drop down arrow here and then show more, and you should be able to add your Facebook page in there. So I'm going to leave it as Facebook page selected and then connect Facebook. So this particular Facebook profile, because I only use it for testing, doesn't actually have any pages yet. We've got the option to create a page. So I'll pause the video recording and I'll come back in a sec. Okay, so now I've got a page on this particular profile. I've called it Error 404 because I really like working at different errors. So we can, if you've got more than one page, you can actually link Canva to particular pages or all of them. So I'm just going to select the new Error 404 page and then go next. Now it gives you a list of things that Canva will be able to manage. It's best if you leave all these options on. So I'm just going to click on Done. And it now says that I've linked Canva to Facebook. I can update what Canva does in the business integration settings. To finish setup, Canva may require additional steps. So I'm going to click on OK. And we now have our page linked to Canva. So I'm just going to select error 404 from the list. And in here I can write a description. And then we can tick publish. Again, it comes up with preparing your design. Wait for this line to go all the way across before you close it. It says your design has been published, so you should be able to click this link here to go straight to your Facebook page. And there's our little image as it is displayed on the page. If I click this little blue icon up here, it should take me back to Facebook. And if I click this one here, it should go to the page. So let's see what it looks like on the page. And then we can have a little logo there. So let's go back to our dashboard and have a look at what we've got so far. At the moment I've got 2 tabs open, so you can either click by using the home tab here, or you can go back to the other tab, and you can see here under your designs, I've got that little pink birthday card we made in our last lesson, and the bake sale post that we've just made. So this is the end of session 2. Session 3, we're going to go on to creating a design using a blank design, and then we'll add some design elements. So I'll see you in section 3. Bye.